But here is so nice.
University du Fabriké.
Oh.
University du Fabriké. Une de fonctionnaires universitaires.
Oh, what is good?
And we can warm up, so.
Warm up some point.
I didn't show you that. You can do workouts or quick starts. Immediately do workouts.
Wait. Oh,
Yeah, you can press workouts or quick start.
where is that?
That's it.
Oh.
0.5.
I got my breakfast right here. I got water, and I'm about to watch a movie.
Choice of words, I just mean, I need you to show me the respect that you would show your boss.
This is your house, right? Oh, you did the black voice thing, man?
It's not a black voice in actuality, not a black voice.
No, you do a black voice. You don't remember when you was in our meeting, you was like, we gonna get it lit up in here, this meeting lit.
It was very lit.
You run the dead master or whatever.
It's gonna live.
But then you also don't want them to touch.
I feel so sleepy, like, and I feel like as I do last night, I tend to close my eyes way more. Okay, I'm gonna open this and show you guys what I have in here. But a little backstory. Actually, I think I'll open it, then I'll see the backstory. Okay. Okay, so this is what I got from the pharmacy. Yeah. Basically, I was experiencing pain with my teeth, and that pain that I was feeling was similar to the pain that I felt with my wisdom teeth before I got it taken out. So once I was feeling that pain, I was a little like worried, like, and back in my mind I was thinking, I don't want to take any of my tooth out. Like, I was so scared, and I was really on the edge of crying because I thought something really bad is happening to my teeth right now, right? I went to work Monday, and I work at a dental clinic, okay? So I went to work Monday, and I told our hygienist that I would like her to take a look at my teeth because I feel like my cavities are getting worse because I experienced pain, and she was like, okay. So when we finished our shift on Monday, thank God we finished early. She took some x-rays, like a bite wing x-ray of my molars, and as she was taking it, the doctor was like about to leave. Then so he was like, what is going on here? And the hygienist was like, well, I guess I have a patient now, like as a joke, right? But anyways, the doctor decided to stay, like hang around and look at my x-ray, which was so nice of him. Like, oh my gosh. The doctor was like, do you wanna sit in the chair for me to look at it? I was like, you bet. Like, yeah, let's go. So I went and sat in the patient chair. Then he came. Okay, so then he looked at my teeth and started like pointing things out, and the hygienist started to write down like what he's saying. He even saying it. I have the thing right here. Okay. Then he said that you only have one cavity. I was so happy. He was like, you only have one cavity, but it's really small, but you have other about to develop cavities, but those one you're putting a watch on them, so that means that if you don't keep up with the hygiene, it's gonna get worse. So basically the pain that I was having was because of my sensitive tooth, because I already have sensitive tooth. Like, I'm gonna prescribe you this toothpaste, and we actually prescribed this toothpaste to a lot of patients, and he was like, if I use this toothpaste twice a day as I'm supposed to, it will get rid of the little cavities that I already have and the cavities that is gonna develop in the future. And I was like, Dad, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm gonna shower this morning. I do not know where my shower cap is. I think yesterday when I was searching for it to take a shower with it, I don't know where it's at, and I've been searching for it. I still don't know where it's at. This is a cute bow. Oh my gosh, that's good. Cute. Anyways. Not gonna apply edge control on my edges, but I feel like it's not looking good. I'm already running late, and this hair is also taking its time. It's not even stable. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Friday. It's around 8 o'clock. But anyways, tomorrow is my birthday. Okay, I'm really not doing anything. I think on my birthdays I don't really do any. I have nothing planned for my birthday. That is because I don't really do anything on my birthday. You know, I'm gonna go and get something to eat. I'll talk about my birthday idea thing, whatever, after. I wanted to take some pictures today so that I can post them tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna be at church majority of the time. So yeah, and for the picture I want to do like a car theme. I don't know, it just came to my mind when I was eating, like something like that. So I just got these pictures from Pinterest. I have something to show you guys. So in my last vlog, I think it was my graduation vlog, I talked about the African wear that I was supposed to wear to my graduation. So it finally came today, not today, Tuesday. Now I have the dress, so I'm gonna show you guys the dress because I'm gonna be wearing that dress tomorrow to church. Yeah, I feel like maybe it wasn't God's plan that I didn't get the item before my graduation, because tomorrow it be my birthday. I don't have any new African dress that I can wear to church. So now I have something new that I can wear to church. Isn't that crazy? But anyways, enough talking. I'm gonna show you guys the dress because it's so cute. Anyways, this is the dress. It looks really nice, but I also I feel like I've talked too much. But did I say that I went to Chipotle? Because I did. And I got a burrito as always. Oh, I feel like I'm exhausted. I don't know. Okay. Oh, one last thing. So I have this on my hand. Let me make it. When I take it off my hand, I cannot put it back on my hand. I need an extra hand to help me. But this is how it looks. It's supposed to be something that you put on your, like around your neck. But I don't really like things around my neck. And my church culture, we don't put things around our neck either. Like we don't wear like necklaces and stuff like that. I got this from a person at our work. Actually, isn't that crazy? She was like, I have a gift for your birthday, and I'm like, oh, okay, that's crazy, because they celebrated my birthday on Thursday, because that was gonna be my last day of the week at work. So they did a little like celebration. It was nice. Then she got me this, and she said that she went to South Africa because I'm African. But anyway, that's not him. She went to South Africa, then she got this and she handed that to me. Then I just put it around my hands because I like it like that, not around my neck, but it's supposed to go over her neck. But isn't it cute? It's so cute.